This is the second video of series de vacaciones, on vacation. In today's video, we are going to talk about resorts, all-inclusive, and the things you want to know and exclusivities you want on your vacation. And speaking Spanish with Lili, I will provide you each week with a variety of videos. This series is summer, and it's the summer series about vacations. Las vacaciones. Today's video, resort. The word resort in Spanish means complejo. Although many resorts around the Spanish-speaking countries offer similarities with the all-inclusive package, it is wise to know what exactly is included in the all-inclusive package. These differences tend to approach and may not be communicated during the check-in process. And remember that the larger the complex is, the more difficult it is to communicate and to talk to any staff member in the reception line. That's why this video is so important, to unlock that power and clarify things before traveling to a resort. Are you ready? And remember that you can download the vocabulary list as well as the conversational phrases and adverbial phrases used in this video on my website at Speaking Spanish with Lili. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming video. And if you haven't done it yet, what are you waiting for? And only those who stay until the end of the video will gain the extra bonus of conversing with me utilizing those adverbial phrases during this video. Are you ready to break the ice and start conversing without remorse at Speaking Spanish with Lili? A hotel resort in general includes recreational activities and entertainment. We can say that a resort is an autonomous establishment that provides most of the needs to the tourists that stay at the resort. These needs are entertainment, accommodation, drinks, sport, shopping, and much more. That's why the check-in process is the best opportunity to clarify things before arriving to your resort with all-inclusive. Here are 6 things to ask for at the beginning of your vacation. Número 1. ¿Necesitamos hacer reservación para los restaurantes? ¿Y hay un código de vestimenta? Do we need to make a reservation for the restaurant, and is there a dress code? 2. ¿Cuál es el horario de entretenimiento? What is the entertainment schedule? If there is any, you need to know. You can also ask for suggestions on what are the best shows that they have. What are some of the options and selections they have? So you and your family can select some of those options and be prepared to reserve the right ones. Surprises are good, but when they are good. Buenas sorpresas. No sorpresas malas. Pregunta número 3. ¿Qué deportes y excursiones de un día están incluidos? What water sports and day trips are included? It is wise to know the options again. The more options you know, the more choices you have. Some of these resorts offer scuba diving, snorkeling, and all of these opportunities included in the package. So you better know what are the sports and activities that are included in your package, and don't forget to ask if the equipment is also part of the package or is you need to pay it separately, because you don't want to get surprises. Remember, at the end we want to have a good vacation, a fun one. We want to explore, practice your Espanol, and also being able to enjoy and save some money. So you can eat more, you can enjoy more, and you can have a wonderful vacation. Key number 4, what's the tea policy? ¿Cuál es la política de propina? You want to know what are the tips that are included in the package, in all inclusive. Are they all included? If the service is included, but the resort doesn't count with a tip policy, you can add 15 or 20% as you will do here. Number 5, are the items in the mini bar and the service room free? Los servicios de mini bar y servicios de habitación son gratuitos? Because when we are very thirsty and we want to enjoy a Pinot Grillo, a cold Pinot Grillo or una cerveza fría, you don't want to get the surprise of being charged twice instead of a regular price. Always asking these mindful questions during the check-in is a wise way to have a wonderful vacación. And number 6, ¿hay una opción de actualización? Is there any update option? Find out at the reservation what are the options and benefits of moving forward. For example, some of the resorts offer upgrade rooms by the ocean or next to the pool and offer some free cocktails. So there are other options to upgrade, and these upgrades are in general very useful. These VIP upgrades are very useful for singles or couples, those who want to stay away from kids. And there you have it. Don't forget, if you want to download the vocabulary and the verbal expressions that you utilize in this video, you can check my website at the Speaking Spanish with Lili. Let's practice some of those bonus questions when you want to do the check-in. Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo puedo ayudarle? How can I help you? ¿Cómo puedo ayudarle? How can I help you? This is an opening, inviting question where you can tell me any question you have, ask any question in regarding the reservation, in regarding the accommodation, in regarding the upgrade, if you want to do an upgrade, or the tips. ¿Se le ofrece algo más? ¿Se le ofrece algo más? Something else? This is a follow-up question after I offer you or we discuss your accommodations. I will ask you if there is something else that I can do for you. And last but not least is bienvenidos al Resort Liliana. Esperamos que tengan unas buenas vacaciones. Welcome to Resort Liliana, and we hope that you have a great vacation. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to click the red button below and a check mark if you like it. And I will see you next week with more traveling adventures on this series de vacaciones a the Speaking Spanish with Lili. Hasta pronto!